Most endangered animals in 2024. 1. Vaquita. Population, fewer than 10 individuals. Habitat: Gulf of California, Mexico. Threats: bycatch in illegal fishing nets for totova, a fish whose swim bladders are highly valued. 2. Amur leopard. Population, approximately 100 individuals. Habitat: Russian Far East and parts of China. Threats: habitat loss, poaching and human-wildlife conflict. 3. Javan rhino. Population, about 74 individuals. Habitat: Endangered National Park, Indonesia. Threats: habitat degradation and potential disease outbreaks. 4. Sumatran orangutan. Population, around 7,500 individuals. Habitat: Sumatra, Indonesia. Threats: deforestation, palm oil plantations and illegal wildlife trade. 5. Saola. Population, estimated fewer than 750. Habitat: Annamite Range, Vietnam and Laos. Threats: habitat loss and poaching. 6. Yangtze finless pipus. Population, between 1,000 and 1,800. Habitat: Yangtze River, China. Threats: pollution, boat traffic and entanglement in fishing gear. 7. Sunda tiger. Population, fewer than 400 individuals. Habitat: Sumatra, Indonesia. Threats: poaching and habitat loss due to deforestation. 8. Hawksbill turtle. Population, estimates vary widely, but many subpopulations are critically low. Habitat: tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide. Threats: illegal trade of their shells, habitat loss, and bycatch. 9. Cross river gorilla. Population, around 200 to 300 individuals. Habitat: cross river region between Nigeria and Cameroon. Threats: poaching, habitat loss, and disease. 10. Yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Population, approximately 1383 adults recorded recently. Habitat: Central America from southern Mexico to northern Costa Rica. Threats: poaching for the pet trade, and habitat loss.